In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on symbol label on TradingView. If you've ever glanced at a chart and wondered which symbol you're actually analyzing, this quick setting will make your workflow much clearer. The symbol label displays the instrument's ticker and name right on the chart, so you can confirm at a glance that you're looking at the right market. Start by opening your browser and heading to TradingView.com. You can follow along in a free chart or while logged into your account. The interface may look slightly different depending on your theme and layout, but the controls we'll use are in the same place. From the home page, choose Stocks and open a full chart. If you're already on a watch list or using search, pick any instrument you want to preview. The key is to get into the full featured chart, not just a mini preview. When you're in the right place, you'll see the full toolbar, the time frames across the top, and the price scale running along the right edge. Now, move your mouse to the right side of the chart directly over the price scale. This area is where TradingView places settings related to how price information and labels are displayed. Hovering there ensures the menu you're about to open targets the correct panel. Right-click while your cursor is still on the price scale. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same, and on macOS, a control click does the trick. If you right-click somewhere else and don't see the options we're looking for, try again, specifically on the price scale. A compact context menu will appear with display and scale options. In that menu, click Labels. This opens the label settings tied to the price scale. It's a quick way to control what extra information appears beside your current price, including values from indicators and candle data. We're focusing on the symbol information. Within labels, turn on the symbol name label. As soon as you enable it, you should see the instrument's name and ticker appear near the current price on the right side. This small visual cue is especially helpful when you switch between layouts, compare multiple symbols, or take screenshots for notes. If you ever need more space, you can come back to the same menu and toggle it off just as quickly. That's all there is to it. You went to TradingView.com, opened a full chart, hovered over the right side, right-clicked, chose labels, and turned on the symbol name label. Save your chart layout if you want TradingView to remember this setting for next time and enjoy a clearer view of exactly what you're analyzing.